Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of the English language, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled you're here with me today. Our word of the day is ally, a C1 level noun that means a partner or supporter. Let's dive into what makes this word so special and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. An ally is someone who supports you or works with you toward a common goal. In personal relationships, an ally can be a close friend who stands by your side in tough times. In a broader sense, countries can also be allies, meaning they cooperate and support one another in political or military matters. For example, during World War II, the Allied powers were countries united to fight against a common enemy. Let's look at some synonyms for ally. Words like partner, friend, and supporter can convey similar meanings, depending on the context. For instance, you might say, "My best friend is my greatest ally when I need advice," or, "In this project, my colleague is an invaluable partner." On the flip side, let's consider some antonyms. Words like opponent, rival, or adversary represent the opposite of an ally. For example, the team faced their toughest rival in the finals, or in the debate, her strongest opponent challenged her ideas. Now, let's think about how you can use ally in your daily conversations. You might say, "It's always great to have an ally at work who has your back," or "Being an ally to someone means standing up for them when they need support." This word is especially common in discussions about teamwork, social justice, and collaboration. For instance, you might hear someone say, "She's an ally to marginalized communities." Here are a few more example sentences. The two companies became allies to tackle climate change. He proved to be a reliable ally in times of trouble. It's important to be an ally to those who are treated unfairly. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. Today, we explored the word ally, which means a partner or supporter. We looked at synonyms like partner, friend, and supporter, and contrasted it with antonyms like opponent, rival, and adversary. We also saw how ally fits into everyday conversations and explored examples that show its versatility. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join our learning journey. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word ally and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see your creativity. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of language. Goodbye.